Question is, what is meant by positive and negative deviations from Rawls' law, and how is the sign of delta H mix related to positive and negative deviations from Rawls' law? So, positive and negative deviations. A non-ideal solution is defined as a solution which does not obey Raoult's law over the entire range of consideration. That is, delta H mix is not equal to 0 and delta V mix is also not equal to 0. The vapor pressure of these solutions is either higher or lower than that expected by Raoult's law. Okay? If vapor pressure is high, the solution shows a positive deviation, and if it is low, it shows a negative deviation from Raoult's law. Enthalpy relation to positive and negative deviation can be understood from the following example. Consider a solution made up of two components, A and B. In the pure state, the intermolecular forces of attraction between them are AA and BP. So A is in separate solution, B is in separate solution. So the intermolecular forces will be AA and BB. But when we mix the two, we get a binary solution with molecular interaction as AB. Okay? So if AB interaction is weaker than AA and AB, then enthalpy of reaction will be positive. Thus, reaction will tend to move in a backward direction. Hence, molecules in binary solution will have a higher tendency to escape. Thus, vapor pressure increases and shows positive deviation from the ideal behavior. Okay, so just remember the concept that if the AB interaction is weak, then enthalpy of the reaction increases as well as the vapor pressure increases, and it shows a positive deviation from the ideal behavior. Similarly, for negative deviation, AB interaction is stronger than that of AA and